Font pairing is critical in finding the right balance between font choices, and by the end of the lesson we'll pair together several font types to find nice harmonies between our type. Some fonts tend to pair very well together. Sans serif and serif fonts tend to work well as a pairing. The reasoning behind this is when you pair two very similar fonts together, in this example Helvetica and Open Sans, which are both sans serifs, it's hard for someone to tell the difference between the two. But there's just enough difference where the viewer wonders why there's not more consistency between the two fonts. A great rule to follow in pairing fonts is making sure the fonts you pair have enough contrast between them. Try pairing a sans serif with a serif. Pair an all capital word with a lowercase word. Try pairing a script font with an all bold sans serif font. Try pairing a script font with a slab serif font. Pairing two script fonts together can be tough, but there are times when a particular headline or design piece can get away with it, but you have to be careful. Font pairing is like a dance, and it can take a little time to find the right pairing. It also depends on the length of the phrase or headline. With headlines, you can be more playful and flexible with your font options. Body copy and longer blocks of copy, you have to be careful not to overwhelm the viewer with too many font pairings. I like to keep font pairings to only 2 to 3 total in a design piece. I try to pick a good headline font, a simple body copy font, and a third complementary font for variety. Make sure you check out the downloadable resource in this lesson for the font pairing guide, where I show you a couple of great examples of font pairing in action.